If you have ever wondered about those autofill codes that pop up in the IDEA for people you'll see on the internet, that's AI. You're pair programming in the new era. And here are 6 reasons why you should be using AI while coding. Let's go! Number 1. Enhance the productivity. Machines were invented and continuously improved to perform non-creative tasks, leaving humans to engage in the thinking process. Repetitive tasks are not what we thinkers should be spending our time on. We're born to create, invent, rediscover, watch TV and eat junk food. So why are we writing code that has already been written by someone else? AI can truly assist with this. The AI models available today have been trained with billions of lines of code. Good code, bad code, simple code, complex code in Python, PHP, JavaScript, Julia, Go, Ruby, C, C++, C#, SQL, HTML, CSS, XML, YML, Haskell, OCaml, Java, Dart, and many others, including the consumption of all available documentation at the moment of trading. As of 2024, it's safe to say that tools like Copilot help more than they hinder, although sometimes they can create a real mess. The chat features are very useful, though code snippets might not work straightforwardly. You can extract a very good pseudocode from them. Personally, the best feature of those AIs for me is generating mockups. It literally saves me hours. Number 2. Learning and exploration. AI code assistants aren't just tools, they are powerful learning companions. These tools provide real-time suggestions, exposing you to diverse coding styles, best practice, and alternative solutions. It's like having a code buddy by your side, guiding you through different programming paradigms. This is also important because it teaches you to think outside the box. You may have a solution to a problem you learned 10 years ago that you always use because it works well. However, an assistant like Copilot can suggest something new that may break the chain, and this is a good thing. It's never too late to change your opinions and improve your skills. Whether you are a beginner seeking guidance or an experienced coder exploring new territories, AI code assistants offer a valuable learning experience. Embrace them as a resource to expand your coding horizons. Number 3. Reducing syntax errors. We all know the frustration of syntax errors. The missing brace in a giant file that is so hidden that we need the whole team to find it. This is where AI code assistants come in handy, reducing and finding syntax errors. Although the AI itself sometimes creates syntax errors, mostly with semicolons, parentheses, and braces, it also kind of finds them. If you forget one of those items in the line, it will likely suggest a semicolon at the end of the line. AI's ability to understand the syntax rules of various programming languages helps you write cleaner code with fewer errors. It's like having an extra set of eyes dedicated to the details. But be aware that this can make you lazy in the long term. Number 4. Efficient collaboration. In an environment where you are working with several other people, possibly a non-standardized environment, AI can be handy. It can easily help you understand your colleagues' code and help them apply some kind of standard. AI code assistants can facilitate smoother collaboration by providing a shared understanding of the code. When team members use these tools consistently, it establishes a common coding language, making it easier to collaborate on projects and understand each other's contributions. Remember, the assistant is constantly analyzing the codebase and increasingly trying to suggest snippets that match the style you are writing. Efficient collaboration is crucial for project success, and AI code assistants contribute to creating an unified and cohesive coding environment. Number 5. Idea generation and inspiration. Coding is not just about syntax, it's about creativity and problem solving. That's what everybody says. And AI code assistant can be great as an idea generator and sources of inspiration. By suggesting different ways to approach a problem, these tools can spark creativity and help you think outside the box, helping you create unique solutions. I have lost count of how many times Copilot suggested something that clearly wouldn't work, but the idea was so close that I used the code to create a working solution. AI code assistants can be your coding muse, leading you towards innovative solutions and encouraging you to explore new coding patterns. Embrace the inspiration they provide to elevate your skills to the next level, but never forget to understand the code you're accepting. The Stack Overflow copy-paste approach is still valid here, right? And number 6, continuous improvement. Well, you wouldn't expect the AI to stay the same forever, right? AI is continuously improving at its core, but also in real time. Although some models claim they don't have internet access, they can still improve by understanding the user, communicating with them more and more, adapting their answers, standards, and habits to that person. Code assistants do it all the time. You can see it for yourself and draw your own conclusions. In the beginning, it might be annoying how the code it suggests is completely different from yours. But as you write code and interact with the assistant, it's more likely to suggest something you like and match your style. Your coding experience is enhanced as these assistants continuously learn, adapt, and offer smarter suggestions. It's a journey of mutual growth. As you code, the AI learns, and as the AI improves, your coding experience becomes even more refined. In conclusion, AI code assistants bring many benefits to the stressful but rewarding world of coding. By now, you must have heard about Devin, a virtual developer that can behave just like a developer, solve bugs, read docs, and so on. With an improvement like that, you must be aware that in the near future, knowing how to operate AI will be a must-have skill for developers. Indeed, it's already becoming essential. From enhancing productivity and providing learning opportunities to reducing errors, facilitating collaboration, sparking creativity, and ensuring continuous improvement, these tools have become valuable companions for us engineers. But remember, don't let them take over completely. It's important to maintain your understanding and critical thinking about the code you're reading or accepting. Okay? So smash the like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel so we can reach 100 subscribers and spread the word of software engineering to more and more people. Thank you for watching this video and I'll catch you in the next one.